Alright, coming back with you again with another video. I am involving in this marketing skills. Who wants to join me in this postcard business? Very simple and easy. Peel and stick label, stamp, and the product of the postcard. Front and back, drop it off in the mailbox. This is my second episode about the postcard business. Share your own program postcard. Unlimited postcard. $50 down. And you get 200 peel and stick label and 200 postcard. And you have to buy your own stamps to start promoting. That's simple. Again, like I said again, nobody don't owe us nothing. We have to understand this, non-marketers out there. You see a lot of marketers is marketing anything in front of your face. You cannot run from it. Facebook is free to promote anything you want to promote. All positive here. All positive here. No garbage, no fighting, no cussing. Everybody's looking to have something to do. Yes, about this home-based business situation. I'm trying to make a name for myself, to put myself out here, to tell you guys that I'm a real person. I'm not fake. I'm not scamming nobody or nothing. So, you cannot run from this, non-marketers. Looking, sharing, oh, I like this, I like your videos. Come aboard something. Nobody don't owe you nothing. Nobody can put no money in your pocket. And go from there. That's simple. If I'm willing to able to invest any fund from my pocket, you guys should do the same thing too. You know, you guys should do the same thing too. Again, nobody don't owe you nothing. I don't owe you nothing. You don't owe me nothing. We out here alone, try to create something out of nothing. Look at all the basketball players you guys support. I'm going to the basketball game. I'm going to the hockey game. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. You supporting the hockey game. You giving your money to put money in their pocket to go buy some Ferraris and get a 5-bedroom house with 4-car garages and put some money in their pocket. It's the same thing. And you supporting all these rappers that goes to the concert, you put money in their pocket. Yeah. Lil Wayne, Drake, Spot 'em Got 'em, and all this high-end rappers, you are supporting them. Why can't you support your own self and stay safe and keep yourself alive? Everybody's chasing the same $1 bill to turn to $20 to $100. You have to make a name for yourself. Anything you promoting, you have to make a name for yourself. Seriously. We can support everything else. We can support McDonald's, Wendy's, Goodwill, and whatnot. You putting money in their pocket. How about you? Why can't you put some money in your pocket? That is the big question today. Why are we so selfish among each other? That is the big question. Why we hate each other so much? You don't even know that person, but you hate them. You don't ask the right question, but you hate them. You look them upside their head, telling them, "Oh, I don't like you." But do you know that person? You gotta get to know that person before you assume that they're a bad person. It's the same thing. Making money from home. Share your knowledge and create something out of nothing. There's too much dying over around here. There's too much negativities out here. Too much. When are we going to come being positive people? When are we going to come being positive? That is the big question. When are we going to come be positive amongst each other? There's too much dead bodies everywhere. Everybody dying. Every day somebody's death. That's negativity. When are we going to stay positive? Number one key today, when are we going to stay positive? Yes, we can support everything else, but you can't support yourself. You can't create something out of nothing. Whatever money you got, you can't create nothing. Don't make sense. Yeah, the moral of this story is why can't we support yourself? And whatever I'm promoting, whatever people is promoting, is very simple and easy and cheap. It won't cost you no more than less than $100. Some of them $25, some of them $50. Postcard business is where it's at today. Everybody losing their job. People are barely working because they're scared of this stupid corona. Some people in the hospital, they're scared of this stupid corona. When you guys gonna wake up and sit down and think about it and put a plan together, like a business plan, and create something out of nothing? So, postcard business is where it's at today. I'll put a link below this video, or go to my YouTube channel and see what you guys like in there. Let me know and go from there. I'll come back with you again with another video. Thank you for listening.